The global conversation around artificial intelligence is largely consumed by language models. While predicting the next word based on massive, static archives of human history is an impressive feat of mimicry, these systems strictly look backward. True intelligence requires agency. It is the active ability to interact with chaotic environments, plan complex actions, and execute strategic foresight in the physical world. The vast majority of machine learning deployed today relies on a foundational framework called supervised learning. This framework treats learning as an exercise in high-dimensional pattern recognition, relying on human experts to manually categorize and label massive datasets. This total reliance on human annotation creates an epistemological ceiling. A system trained exclusively on human-labeled data can only be as intelligent as the humans who generated that data. It remains trapped within the boundaries of existing human knowledge. To cross the chasm to artificial general intelligence, a theoretical system that achieves human-level cognitive performance across any domain, and machines must move past passive observation. They must interact with the present to actively optimize the future. Reinforcement learning bypasses this human bottleneck entirely. It represents a structural shift that removes the human teacher from the equation. Instead of reading labeled examples, an artificial intelligence, referred to as an agent, is dropped into an environment with a singular, overarching goal. As it navigates through trial and error, it receives positive signals for progress and negative signals for failure. Because the system learns by doing, it generates its own data, creating a dynamic repository of experience. This mirrors the foundational mechanics of biological intelligence. A human toddler does not learn to walk by studying thousands of labeled photographs of people walking. They stand up, lose their balance, fall to the floor, and try again. Every fall is a data point mapped against the laws of physics. By escaping the echo chamber of explicit human instruction, the machine is free to test hypotheses a human would never consider. It uncovers novel strategies and identifies solutions that humanity has never conceptualized. Inside a reinforcement learning framework, the agent is driven by the pursuit of invisible numerical signals. These signals act as the fundamental fuel of the algorithm. Without them, the agent would wander aimlessly, paralyzed by infinite choices. However, an agent designed to maximize the reward of its very next step becomes short-sighted. It will walk into a devastating trap just to consume a small, immediate prize. This is a chart showing the mathematical difference between immediate gratification and long-term strategy. The top path represents a reward, which is the immediate feedback received the moment an action is taken. The bottom path represents the value function. The value function calculates the expected accumulation of all future rewards that will flow from a specific position over the rest of time. The ability to endure short-term resource loss or pain in exchange for a deferred victory is the definitive engine of strategic foresight. In the game of chess, amateur strategy is linear. Guard the queen at all costs. Losing your most powerful piece is viewed as a catastrophic, immediate punishment. But historical grandmasters routinely defied this linear thinking. In the famous Immortal Game of 1851, Adolf Anderssen deliberately sacrificed his queen, throwing it directly into the line of fire. To the untrained eye, Anderssen was self-destructing, but the immediate loss of the queen was an illusion. By forcing his opponent to capture the sacrificed piece, Anderssen deflected a critical defender and cleared a path for his remaining minor pieces to deliver an inescapable checkmate. When a reinforcement learning agent is trained to play a complex game, it mathematically discovers this exact logic. It learns to discount the immediate numerical loss of a piece, navigating the dark valleys of a chaotic environment to reach the final summit. In March 2016, this mathematical foresight moved past human knowledge. Inside a silent room in Seoul, South Korea, DeepMind's autonomous system, AlphaGo, faced off against legendary human grandmaster Lee Sedol in the ancient game of Go. Early in Game 2, AlphaGo calculated its options and executed Move 37, directing a black stone to be placed as a shoulder hit on the 5th line of the board. This specific configuration violated centuries of established human territorial doctrine, leaving commentators and Lee Sedol stunned. AlphaGo evaluated the board through the lens of pure mathematics.
Because the system generated its own proprietary dataset through millions of games of self-play, it identified a variation that had a mere 1 in 10,000 chance of human consideration. Over the next 100 moves, the brilliance of that single stone materialized. It acted as a gravitational anchor, linking together disparate battles across the entire board into a cohesive network that crushed Lee Sedol's defenses. Move 37 proved that an autonomous agent can move past human precedent, identifying strategic dimensions that have existed outside of our own history. If AlphaGo proved autonomous agents could conquer abstract games, the next challenge was conquering the unpredictable physics of legged robotics in the real world. To teach a machine to walk, engineers utilize domain randomization. Domain randomization is a simulation technique where physical parameters like gravity, friction, and mass are constantly and automatically altered. The robot agent learns to navigate by continually falling and recovering as its digital universe shifts. After accumulating years of trial and error in these chaotic digital matrices, this trained brain was downloaded into a physical chassis. The resulting animal robot navigated the steep inclinations and slippery rocks of the Swiss Alps, completing a demanding hiking trail faster than estimated human time. These machines master the chaotic unpredictability of our physical reality because they have already survived millions of alternate simulated universes. Today, the strategic foresight of reinforcement learning is operating as the engine beneath the global economy. Ride-sharing networks like Uber use these autonomous agents to actively anticipate future demand across a metropolis, mathematically penalizing drivers who take immediate, lucrative surges if those routes end in dead-end suburbs. Inside quantitative hedge funds, this same architecture executes high-frequency trades. Financial agents continuously balance the risk of exploring an untested strategy against exploiting a known trading pattern, relentlessly optimizing their portfolios against an actively mutating global market. But as the scale of this technology lands, a profound mechanical mystery remains. If there is no human programmer explicitly typing out the rules of a chess strategy or the friction of a robotic step, how does the ghost of a future reward physically travel backward through the corridors of time to alter a decision in the present? The recursive architecture of general intelligence is written in the language of reinforcement, and the code is waiting to be deciphered.